Well, good morning. It's Friday. Trying to show you the awning here. The problem is the sun is shining right in my face. But that's that one. And this one's going up. Interesting. When you work alone, you figure out a lot of different ways to hold stuff when you're by yourself. So yeah, this one should go up fairly quick. And yeah, pretty good. Nice, beautiful sunny day, blue sky, a little bit of clouds, not too hot. Good Friday. I don't know how much better the light is now. It's a pretty kind of dark place in the house, but just wanted to show you the door and the kind of light of day, if that makes sense. Really pleased with how this turned out. I think it looks really cool. Okay, here I'm at the top of the awning, and you can see this gap. Like I say, they fill this with silicone, so that's what I'm doing too. I'm putting in the little foam backer just so I don't use up, 10 tubes of silicone, and then I'll fill this in and smear it down, and it should all be copacetic. Oh, that's all siliconed up. One down, one to go. Customizing one of these bamboo blinds. It was too long, so I had to cut about 8 or 10 inches out of it. Do these bamboo blinds for privacy. It goes on the inside of this sliding door, and it's got to be shorter than the ones that are outside because the frame of the door inside is smaller. But I take all these little knots and tie them all again, and then tie that stick on the bottom. But it'll be worth it because it'll fit perfect and it'll look great. There we go, all done. Just got to hang it on the door. A lot of knots to tie, but it'll be fit perfect, so it's worth it. Well, I've got most everything done. The only thing I have to do is some privacy film on some windows in an upstairs room, which I will do tomorrow morning, and then I have to clean everything up. I got the bamboo blinds, or sudare as they're called in Japanese, done. These ones were already done. These ones here are new. And as you can see, there's an awning there and an awning. One thing I did do today was I took a angle grinder, because every single one of the brackets for these bamboo blinds had to be customized, of course. And I, yeah, cut right down to the bone. Not going to show you any pictures of that. It's pretty ugly. But I super glued it together, washed it really good, super glued it together. And I got to clean some blood up on the floor in a couple of places. But that's, par for the course. But I'm really happy with the way the awnings or eaves, I don't know what you want to call these things, turned out. Seem to be pretty good and solid. I can't imagine them coming off. But, they're pretty protected in here, and they don't get a huge snow load very often. And they are angled slightly, towards the, they're not perfectly flat. They're slightly angled down. And they're on there really good. The brackets are amazing. So yeah, and I really like the way that these privacy blinds look. I think that came out really nice. Like the one there that I had to customize to fit the inside of that door. But it was a bit of work, a lot of little tiny strings to tie, but I think it worked out really well. Need a longer arm. Anyways, this is the 5th day. I was supposed to go home today, but, excuse me, because of just some things taking longer than I thought they would, and my eye thing, which still hurts. I went and saw the doctor again this morning, and because it hurt like a son of a gun, and he said, yeah, it's going to hurt for about a week. And he checked again to make sure there was no debris that he missed. I was waiting outside half an hour before the clinic opened, and I was out of their toot suite, so I was down here to work soon after 9, which was good. I didn't really want to waste a bunch of time with that. But yeah, this is all looking really good. I'm really pleased with it. And I'm almost done, almost. Just one more thing to do tomorrow, and clean up, of course. I got to clean up. I got to make a run to the garbage dump because there's a bunch of garbage left over, as there always is. Anyways, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.